Hello, good morning, all of you. I hope you all are good and you are all are doing good and great in your life. And today, guys, we will be discuss about the English language, how to become fluent in English language, how to communicate with anyone in English language. Because guys, English is not our native language, but nowadays and in future English is a much more important in our life because you also know, guys, everywhere where right now you are where are you are standing, just use look around you. Definitely you will be find English word, then you will have to learn English. Without you will be learn English, you might be grow in your life. If you want to grow, then you will have to learn this language, because everywhere you will feel, if your communication is not good, if you don't know how to read this word, then you will feel not good. Because that's why we have to learn this language. And how can we learn this language? Nothing is impossible, guys, in this world. Gradually we will learn something, and we can learn something anything. We can learn something anything. Because if you will think that I will learn for 1 month, 2 months, and I will become perfect, it 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 might be possible, guys. That nobody are perfect in this world. Nobody are perfect. Yes, you will have to give some time. You have to give some time. If you will give, at least you will give your 6 months, then you have to give your 100% there, then you will be able to speak. I'm not saying if your English is good right now, then you will give 6 months, then you will become fluent. It's okay. It's to depend on you. What's your stage and where in and which stage you are, depend on you. If you are beginner, guy, then it will be take time, but don't worry. Definitely one day you will become fluent, and you will be speak fluent. And right now, guys, just you start speaking. Until, guide, you will be not speak, you might become. Because, guys, we are learning from our mistake. If you will not make mistake, then how you will be learn? You might be learn. So you speak at least 10, 12, 13, as much as you can speak, guys. At least 10 minutes you should speak, guys, every single day. You have to take time. I know you have lack of time, but, guys, if you want to improve, then you will have to give the time, then you will be improve your English. So you should speak. Because where are you sitting right now? Just look around you and just start making uh, little bit sentences like use is, was, where, shall will, do, does, did, and have, has. And this type would, should, could, may, might. And this type you need to make through use this helping verb. And this way, guys, you will be learn gradually. You will learn little bit. Like, if you will practice like this, then definitely, guys, your English will be every single day you will be grow little bit, then you will feel good, guys. When you will be grow every day, then you will feel good. Today I utilize my time, today I learned something. Then you will feel, really, guys, you will feel so happy. You will feel so happy. Because and you should create your routine, daily routine. If you are working anywhere, it is not matter where are you working. If your time is fixed, then you have to fix time, guys, that you should give this much time there and this much time there. You have to think. Until you will be not make, guys, routine, then our mind is so powerful, guys. Sometimes we think about that thing. Sometimes we will go on Insta, then when we start one time watching reels, then we don't know when we are wasting our 10 minutes, 12, and half hour we are wasting, then I realize I waste my time, then guys you can't take anything, because if one time the time will pass, then you can't return those time. So if you will make list of your days, then definitely you remember in your mind ki today, after this work I will do this work. So guys, so routine is much more important in our life. Guys, if just you think, if you are not make any routine, just you wake up in morning, you don't know what I will do, after what I will do. First you will do this thing, then just someone call you, then just you are started talking, then you will go in other way. If you will make routine, then you have to know, you know that I will be do after that. Then if you someone call me, then you say I will call you. If you some uh, important, then tell me. If you are not in, then I will call you to Sunday. This type you will think. Then guys, you should make routine. At least just you try for 1 month. After that you can leave. If you are not feeling, just at least 1 week you should try, guys, this thing. If you are feeling good, then you continue with this, and after 1 week complete, if you are not feel those things, then you leave it. I'm not saying you do forcefully, but guys, if you want to grow, really if you want to grow, then you will have to force yourself. Without forcing you can't grow. Guys, when I was when I'm talking about myself, I'm going to sharing my experience with you. when i was when I was uh, at my initial day, that time I was nothing in English, guys. I really say, you don't believe. If you really think about my result, that time you will realize, I was nothing. I told you I was nothing. But little bit, guys, little bit, every single day, it's giving me this. Give my efforts. Now you can see my English. You can see my English speaking. And you guys, I can't say, guys, we don't actually, guys, we don't know our brains power. Just, guys, just you need to know. If you want to really know about, then you will have to practically believe. Guys, now you are watching me in a phone, this is not magic, guys. This is made by human. This phone, this skin, this camera, and all those things, what are you seeing, this all those things are made by human. It is possible, guys. It is possible, because our brain is so powerful. We don't know how to use this intelligence, guys, because nobody are intelligent to his born. Depend on that person. It is not matter where are you and what's your age. If you know your strength right now, just you start learning right now. Just you start learning right now. You are not late, guys. Right now you are not late, because in past you can't change anything. What can you change? You can work in present. If you want to change your future, then today, only today, you will have to work and work and work. Without working, you can't change anything, guys. Because guys, if you will think in your mind that suddenly some magic will be happen with you, and suddenly your life will be changed, it is not possible. It might be possible, I don't know, because I haven't seen any this type of magic in someone life in my neighbor. There is no. Everyone are growing gradually and learning gradually. So guys, you don't think suddenly you will change. If your life is not changed last 20, what's your age, I don't know, but my age 23 right now. So if the some magic will not happen with 23, then what is the possibility that the magic will be happen in 1 to 2 years? No, you have to do work. You have to understand what is the reality of life. You have to learn. Don't feel sad, guys, anytime, because nothing is here. One day we will live anything. But don't think in your mind one day if I will live everything, then why will do hard work, why will do this thing, why will where are you at now, what are you using, what are you wearing, and which facility you are using right now. The lots of people are doing hard work, that's why you are using those things. So you have to pay something to this country, to this for this universe, and for your next generation, guys, for your next generation. And utilize your time and don't waste your time to watching Insta reel and other thing, and don't waste your time anywhere. Just you focus in yourself and improve yourself as much as you can improve, guys. As much as you can improve, just improve yourself. Because right now what you have right now just today. If you are thinking, okay, tomorrow I will do this thing, tomorrow I will do that thing, because I several time I said to myself, tomorrow I will do this thing, tomorrow I will do that thing, then now you can say nothing. I nothing did, because I know just I when I was at just I'm talking about when I was month of June. That time I said to myself I will read approx lots of book. I decided this year I will read, but guys right now just I'm doing like this because I haven't any book, and I haven't any buy any book. But one book I will be read and I will be purchase. It will take time to read this book, because this book is so long, you can say approx 600 pages, then it will take time. But I will finish I will finish in at least June. I will finish, because without reading this book I can't continue with my job, because it is much more important for our job. And guys, reading is a good habit in our life. We should read every day and learn something every day, guys. Whenever we are just sit, you know anywhere you will sit, and just if you have no anywhere, then you will think about your future and your past, and just you are creating overthinking, start overthinking, then you will waste your time. Nothing, guys, I really say to you, not those things, nothing will be give you, just those things will give you anxiety and sadness. So if you want to avoid those things, then you have to busy in your life. You should create routine, and you should just do what did you create in your routine. So guys, so right now just I'm going to end this video, and I hope, guys, definitely you will learn something through this video. And if you learn something through this video, then please like this video and share this video with your friends. If you want to grow your friend with you, then you can share, guys, with your friends and families. Okay, bye bye, take care. Again I will meet you in next video. Then take care, guys.